The Epstein files are often discussed as if they are empty, as if the absence of images means the absence of evidence. But court records tell a different story. They confirm that images and videos were documented, preserved, and formally handled as evidence. The reason the public does not see them is not because they never existed. It is because courts decided they should not be shown. Today, we are not speculating. We are examining what the Epstein files officially confirm, and why much of it remains sealed. According to court filings and investigative records, law enforcement recovered digital and physical materials during Epstein-related investigations. These materials are referenced across multiple legal documents, not as rumors, not as claims, but as catalogued evidence. In legal systems, evidence does not need to be public to be real. In fact, the most sensitive material is often the most restricted. The Epstein files contain references to images and videos without displaying them. This is common in cases involving extreme privacy risk. Courts consider several factors before releasing evidence. These include victim protection, risk of further harm, ongoing legal exposure, misuse of material. In the Epstein case, judges ruled that releasing certain materials would cause irreversible damage. So the evidence was preserved, but access was restricted. This is why many released documents contain redactions. Some pages are partially blacked out. Others are fully obscured. This does not erase evidence. It defines how it is handled. A common misconception is that sealed evidence means lost evidence. That is incorrect. Sealed materials remain logged, stored, referenced, auditable. Court inventories list evidence without displaying it. Legal summaries describe material without reproducing it. This is how the Epstein files operate. The story exists not through visuals but through documentation. What remains hidden is not denied. It is restricted. Transparency does not always mean exposure. In some cases, transparency means understanding why exposure was denied. The Epstein files demonstrate how legal systems balance public interest against irreversible harm. These documents will continue to exist in records, archives, and legal references. Even if the public never sees everything, the evidence remains part of history. The absence of images does not erase accountability. It defines responsibility. The Epstein files tell a story not through what is shown but through what is restricted. They remind us that some truths are preserved without being displayed. And that silence in records does not mean emptiness. It means control. Subscribe for verified, document-based investigations.